Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss simplify function in QGIS. If you want to modify and use to simplify function, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let start. For simplify function, we go to editor. After editor, we go to edit geometry and we select here simplify feature. After selection, we click on polygon and here is our simplify and we modify as per requirement. Simplify by distance. Here is distance and OK. Our simplify is change. If you want to other modify, Ctrl Z and click again and we select here simplify by snapping grid. There is snapping grid. If you want to change tolerance, you modify tolerance as per your requirement. So we tolerance 2 and OK. Our feature is modify and next we again click and we select here simplify by area. Here is area simplify. We click OK. Our modify is complete and next we click again and we select here smooth. Here is smooth. All polygon is smooth. So we click OK. You see here our all polygon is smooth. Our simplify function process completes successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you.